Meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. This microscopic creature, smaller than the tip of a pencil, is one of the toughest life forms on our planet. Tardigrades can survive boiling heat, freezing cold, crushing pressure, and even radiation. Scientists have even sent them into outer space, and they came back alive. Their secret is a state called cryptobiosis, where they dry out completely and almost stop living, only to wake up again when conditions improve. Tiny, nearly invisible, but nearly indestructible. The tardigrade is proof that true strength doesn't always come in size.